Me nah lie, hair too expensive to get done in a foreign. Me nah lie, so I have to do something for myself. So I braid my auntie hair, she braid mine. So right now, we're gonna put in some box braids. You don't know, it's that girl Plummy, right? So right here, so I'll make sure I section her hair and me I put on my edge control, okay, to the roots. We're not professional around here, but we try our best and do some for ourselves. So don't be afraid to comment and tell where we go wrong, okay? We can improve ourselves, all right? So here I'm going, like I said, section of her hair, giving her that part. I'm not good pan part either, all right? I'll do some quick box braids, okay? And right here, I'm gonna show you how I grab the hair from my personal grip. I put the hair in a loop. I feel better, I feel more comfortable with a loop. And I think I grab the hair better from the root using the loop. Some people do 3, like where they part the hair in 2 and have the 3 pieces, but I like to go in with just a loop where I have 2 pieces and her personal hair gonna make that other piece, because when you plait it's 3 and I use her personal hair as the 3rd piece. And here you go, I'm going and I grip tight and I make that, try to grip the root tightly as possible, not too tight where it's gonna give a headache, okay, but just to grip it good. And as you can see right here, I am parting a piece of the conical braids and I put it with her personal hair. That's how you're gonna get your 3 plaits to be even a little bit, all the professionals know what I'm talking about. And I plait as I go. And then for when you're doing box braids, anything you're doing, you want to always make sure that you tuck your client's hair under the braids or under the conical braid or whatever it is you use. Just as I'm showing you right here, you want to make sure that you always tuck their personal hair under. It's a way to protect her hair. If you're gonna trim, you won't cut her hair, and it won't be looking away. I don't know how to explain it, but yeah. So as you can see, I am braiding and I tuck as I go. Keep tuck as you go, okay? So like I said, don't forget to tell me how I do. I'm not a professional, I said that before, but we try something for ourselves, man. Okay? Now I'm finished with the hair, guys. Okay, please go ahead and tell me how did I do. I feel pretty confident. I feel pretty good doing something, and guys, trust me, this is my first time doing it on camera, and I feel like I grip the braids better now than I ever did before. But like I said, we are no professional around here, but we try to do something for ourselves. And guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and thank you so very much for watching That Girl Plummy, and catch y'all in my next video. All right, thank you.